Good day. My name is Miss Weese-Stein, but you can call me Miss WS if you like because most kids do. I teach health and PE. Since we're going to be spending some quality time together, I thought I might tell you a little bit about me. First of all, I've been a teacher for 47 years. 21 of those years I've taught online, and I've enjoyed it all. I lived in Australia for 3.5 years with my daughter, where we raised sheep. Well, actually, we didn't raise the sheep. We did the genetic study of sheep for 14,000 farms. It was fascinating. Presently, I live in Ohio. I have one daughter. Her name is Morgan. She will be 36 years old in September. These are two of my favorite shots of her. One mother-daughter shot and the shot from Australia with the lambs. I also have a dog. Her name is Foxy. She's a Jack Russell Terrierist. I adopted her from the local pound about 5 years ago. She was doing time for killing chickens on one of the local chicken farms. As you can see, she also doubles as my security system. Okay, let's recap. My name is Miss Weese-Stein or Miss WS, whichever you prefer. I teach health and physical education. My email is listed just to the right of my picture or the video. And my phone number is listed in green. My office hours right now, because I'm part-time, are from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Contact me anytime. I'm here to help you. I love what I do, and I hope to help you love it as well. Welcome to my world. Let's get her done.